Hey everyone, today I want to share some exciting updates about a company that has been going under the radar recently. I'll share the name and the details in just a moment, but I do want to make something clear first. I currently do hold a position in this stock. And lastly, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so please always do your own research and consult with a professional before making any financial decisions. So now the company we're talking about today is Mill City Ventures, or MCVT. It's based in Minnesota. So MCVT is a non-bank lender and specialty finance company. They focus on providing loans to private companies, especially those in need of real estate bridge mortgages or cash operations. So it's all backed by sufficient collateral. Their goal is actually to achieve above market returns for investors while minimizing risk. This unique focus allows MCVT to cater to both borrowers and stakeholders, creating a win-win for all parties involved. So now that you know a little more about MCVT, we can get started with the numbers. So they actually made $3.23 million in revenue over the last year and earned $371,000 in profit. So that works to about 5 cents per share. These results show that the company is holding steady and managing to stay profitable, which is always a good sign. One of the other things I like about MCVT is its strong cash position. They are bringing in $920,000 in operating cash flow and have over $6 million in liquidity. In simple terms, this means that they've got plenty of cash on hand to seize new opportunities or tackle challenges that come their way. Another key factor to consider is MCVT's market cap and float. As of now, the company has a market cap of approximately $19 million and a float of just $2.29 million. This low float means that even small increases in demand could lead to significant price movement. So combined with the company's financial health and strategic moves, this low float makes this stock an intriguing opportunity for potential investors. MCVT has made some smart moves recently as well. Back in September, they provided a $1 million loan to support its senior care projects, expecting annual returns above 20%. Then in January, they stepped up with a $3 million loan to help a senior care provider expand by adding 7 new facilities in Minnesota. These investments show how the company is targeting opportunities with solid potential for steady returns. And what stands out here is that this $3 million loan comes with an annual interest rate over 20%. That's not just a great return, it's also considered low risk by the company. Coventry, the senior care provider, plans to add 7 new locations, bringing their total to 25. This perfectly lines up with MCVT's strategy of focusing on high return, low risk lending. Something else that caught my eye is how much stock insiders own. 72%. That's a big chunk, and it shows that the people running the company believe in its future. On top of that, some of the insiders have been buying more shares recently, which adds even more confidence to the mix. Something else to note here is that back in October 2024, MCVT's board approved the $2 million stock buyback program. Basically, they're using their cash to buy back their own shares, which reduces the total number of shares available. This can help boost the value of the remaining shares, showing that the company is focused on rewarding its investors. And here's another interesting point. MCVT has a short squeeze score of 90, which ranks 517th out of 5,564 stocks. For those unfamiliar, a short squeeze happens when heavily shorted stocks see a rapid price increase, forcing short sellers to buy back shares at a higher price. This score indicates that MCVT has a relatively high chance of experiencing a short squeeze, which could create some excitement around the stock. And well, to wrap things up, guys, MCVT is showing strong numbers, making smart investments, and has a lot of confidence from its insiders. This is a great stock and truly an unfound gem that with good volume could be very rewarding for us retail investors. That being said, always do your own research and don't buy just because of my video. I hope you found the key points of this ticker helpful. If you want to stay updated, please like and follow. Also leave your feedback in the comments section below. Thank you so much for tuning in.